Well, guys, here we go. The fun begins. Six 3.5 liter Nissan timing chain. I'm gonna try my best to do a how-to on this 06 Altima, even though there's billions of videos out there. But day in the life of me and taking on some of the worst jobs I could take on. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll keep making videos of this. So have fun. Well, guys, I feel bad for anybody who has to do a Nissan Altima timing chain with a V6 because you gotta take the whole cowl off. You gotta take your wipers off. Gotta take the hood off. There's all miscellaneous parts that have to come out to do this timing chain. The intake's got to come off, the valve cover's got to come off, all the shit down here got to come off, the motor mount's got to come off, airbox got to come out. Like, I feel bad for anybody that really has to do this. I'm putting a lot of my bolts back in place, so this doesn't look like a lot of bolts came out of here, but so far, probably taken out about 40 bolts, 50 bolts. We're still nowhere near this part. Yep. The life of fixing the hard stuff. I like a challenge. Yay! I can touch the rear valve cover. Yay! 4 hours to get to this part. Yay! Hey, Austin, here's something I want to just point out I just noticed. You see how your battery's bubbled out? Look at that. It's a swollen battery. Look on this side. You see how it's like bulging? This battery is getting hot and it's swelling. So I can warn you, if your car fails to start one day or something, you're going to need a new battery soon. So we're not doing it now, but just mental note for you, bro. New battery. All right, so here's the infamous timing chain failure. That piston should be there, but it's there. The guide has broken. Why am I not surprised? Here you guys have it. Reason why we're taking this thing apart. Well, I got it out, so yeah. I told you, Austin, you owe me money. You owe me money. There's a new water pump. There's a new chain tensioner. There's new chain. There's new tensioner and guide. Glued together forever. Good news is, we are in time. Our chain is sitting where it should. And the engine will run. I have fixed the problem. You're welcome, bro. Oh, bow, Austin, old pal. She's all sealed up. I'm just dealing with everything right here. This will be easy to put the top of the motor together, and that's just all the parts I got to put on at this point. The hard part is done. Engine is now back together, brother. I'll try and get it done today. Hopefully I got like 3 or 4 more hours in this. I'm going to keep fucking with it until I can, bro. And I'm tired, so got you. And for all you people on YouTube that are checking out my shorts, I do this kind of stupid crap every day. I'm probably one of the few retarded humans to do this engine in this car, but, you know. Coming together. Pulleys are getting on. Top end of the motor is finally sealed up and ready to roll. And technically, it'll run if I hook up that jumble of wires to that module up there. But for the most part, I got like 20 to 15 bolts, some hoses, prime, coolant system, put oil in it, put a filter on it down there, crank pulley, you know, a few other parts, but generally speaking, we are almost done with this. If you have a VQ35DE engine in your cars, I promise you right now, I hate these engines. They're not even that bad of an engine. It is that it's pretty obvious that it's purposely sabotaged to not be reliable and make it impossible to even fix it. It's alive! Haha, there you go, Austin. Austin, it's all about ready to go for a hood and come to you. This is how you know it's brown certified, guys.